Hello everyone! We are starting another follow series, this time on a Luxe 38 GFB Gold luxury fifth wheel. In the Bay Area here we have generator prep. All of our coaches will come prepped. Should you decide to add a generator later on, this makes it much easier. Over here, I want to point out the equalizer leveling, which is hydraulic and not daisy chained, which means if one jack isn't working, the rest will still work. And they are color-coded so that you can figure out which needs to be manually overridden and serviced. Our black tanks have a welded rail underneath, along with plywood to stop them from falling, along with loose straps on top should bloating occur. We have batting insulation and astrofoil all along the I-beam frame. The slide outs I always mention, the double outriggers for strength, our slides are electric and can be manually overridden. They're much easier to get parts for, and you can find a lot more service shops that can service them. This is the polypropylene that covers the underbelly in one sheet, but it'll have cross sections to give accessibility to the underbelly should service be required. I'm going to throw up the floor plan of the 38 GFB Gold so you can have a look at it, and stay tuned for part 2 when we get to flooring. Till next time.